I'm over the moon. I've been dying for him to get a Lamborghini since I've been following his channel.
Sounds like right.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars, the car channel where I just give my thoughts and opinions, what's going on in the supercar community on YouTube, because I've watched some of your favourite car YouTubers and small channels as well, and hopefully there might be even a video or channel I've probably found that you might be interested in, and it's all about discussing about what's going on in the supercar community. On today's episode we're going to be covering Effspots, we're going to be covering Right the Exotics and Tavarish and a few others as well. Just before we jump into it, guys, just to keep you notified if you're new to the channel, do consider subscribing. Just please do. I have come up with a yesterday's video. It'll come up here. You can go and check it out to vote for your 2020 car YouTuber of the year. I made a list on straw poll. It was very difficult for me to make the list. I had to do a lot of chopping, changing, and I thought it was fair as I could think of. But maybe if we're big enough next year to make a custom multi answer poll, I will be able to do it. But go to the link, vote for your favorite car YouTuber of 2020. It's multiple answers as well. And when we hit January 1st or 2nd, I'm going to come out with the winner and the top 5. So get into that link, get voting, share it, let other people know about it, and we will see the outcome. I'll be running it all month and I will be saying this in every video I do at the start, so please excuse me, guys. Also, let's hope we can get 2,000 subs, and thanks to everybody that's subbed so far and liking, commenting below in the comments, guys. Seriously, thanks a million. So on to, as I said, today's episode, straight off the bat, starting with Effspot. He has finally pulled the trigger. Well, he pulled it probably a while back, but he's gotten a supercar and I couldn't be more than happy. He's after getting a Lamborghini Gallardo Superleggera 2008. I'm over the moon. I've been dying for him to get a Lamborghini since I've been following his channel. I wasn't too gone on the Jaguar F-Type that he had. And I was just hoping he would finally get a proper supercar to modify. So to explain it better about what car he's after getting, the man himself, Effspot. Here's a quick clip for you guys. He will just a clip I took out that he can run you through it.
That's right. Upgraded to the 2008 Lamborghini first gen Superleggera. So a lot of you young whippersnappers who don't really know much about the older Lamborghini Superleggeras, this is the first gen 2008 530 horsepower V10 5-liter, and this is the even firing engine versus the second gen, which is an odd firing engine with a 5.2 liter in the second gen Superleggera. Like I said, there are only like 172 units in the United States, around 618 worldwide that we know of.
And there you go, guys. Let me know in the comments below. Are you delighted he got the Gallardo, or did you want him to get something else? I'm over the moon he got the Gallardo. I cannot wait to see what he does to it. Would he put a kit in it? Would he wrap it? Would he do power mods? What is he going to do to this car? I want to see what he can pull out here, and hopefully, or knowing him as well, he could do very minimal to it. He could just do power mods and give it a good detail and keep it stock. You really just don't know with Gordon and Effspot, but it'll be interesting to see. I'm going to be following it very closely. I want to hear your thoughts and opinions below in the comments, what you think of this purchase. It's pity it's an e-gear, but look, I mean, I think the one he was saying was a bit special, so probably cost him a bit, but this should hopefully propel his channel to the next level, and congratulations to Gordon and Effspot. Next up, guys, is going to be Tavarish. The man is back, finally back posting. Took him long enough. The only man I know that can be posting away and then just disappear for a month and then come back on and say, yeah, I've been gone for a month, here's my update to what's going on. He did the exact same thing last year. Jesus, he did. I don't know, I must try and go back and find that video where he was like, right, regularly posting, this is the plan for 2020, and like, he did kind of stick to it, but the problem I find with Tavarish, and it's the only problem I find with him, is he starts projects and he buys projects on top of it, and it's just like the other projects aren't as important, and they get shifted down and down and down, and the newer projects keep coming in. I know it's great for the content and stuff, but you just feel like there's so much mix mash going around. So the more bigger projects get finished, like the Gallardo or Murcielago, and the other ones get put in the back burner. I mean, like the Ferrari F355, I really want him to finish that car, but he's saying he's waiting for parts and to get a powder coat and stuff like that. Well, he loves his Aston Martins. He's after getting an Aston Martin DBS, and he has a Vanquish. He went around his old garage about updates what he's going to do. There was an Eclipse there as well. I wonder what that's going to be. Like, he's basically saying he's going to be posting now every day over December, going into the new year and all this. Tavarish says this all the time, and he'll start off strong and then he'll just whittle away and slow down posting again. I don't know if you notice that if you're Tavarish fans, but I'm just glad it's back. I just hope he really starts pounding the content. Can't wait for the 675LT build to be finished. Just what do you think of the way he does this, guys, when he disappears for this amount of time and then comes back and says all these plans and starts off strong, and then it's kind of everything gets kind of messed up. He needs to stop buying projects, as far as I'm concerned, and just concentrate on the ones he's there, get them finished and sell some or do whatever that way. That's just what I think you should do. But I don't know, what do you think, guys? Comment below and let me know about what way you think the Tavarish's channel is going. Next up, guys, is going to be Royalty Exotics. So Royalty Exotics Houston, he says he's 3 Gallardos. This one he's basically just got anything planked in a new engine into it they said in the day. It got finished. I am a big Gallardo fan. I mean, the goal for this channel is to get hopefully an R8 someday and modify the hell out of it with your help. The ultimate goal, like dream, would be to be able to get a Lamborghini Gallardo. I don't know if that will ever happen, but we can dream and hope for the best. Especially, I think this got a straight through exhaust system, straight piped. It sounds amazing. He put on the I can't remember the name of the bumper, the LP bumper. It looks way better than the square one. But here's a quick clip for you guys and a flyby. It sounds so good. There you have it, guys. Straight pipes. So it sounds so good. Even for a V10, I'd love to get my hands on one and modify one. I'd just go balls out, full kit, wrap, nice set of wheels, Zorish, twin turbo the engine. You know, there's so much I'd want to do to it, but that sounds great. I can't believe he's so many of them. I think he swapped that one out he hasn't told us what the next project's going to be, but he swapped it out for something. I don't know I have no idea what he swapped it out for. Any guesses in the comments below what you think Houston's after swapping that out for? I can't think of what it's supposed to be. Something crazy, and it's going to be interesting. I don't know. We'll see what he's got it for, and I just thought I'd bring it to your attention because Gallardos are such a great car. Next up is going to be RDBLA, guys. So RDBLA, they have gotten their hands on a 765LT. It is gorgeous looking. I like it so much. I think he says it might be possibly the first one on the West Coast. And the owner is going to enjoy it the way it is at the moment, but they are going to do an exhaust system on it. He doesn't know, he isn't going to wrap it right now, but he wants to enjoy the car the way it is at the moment. I mean, like, it's so hard. I wouldn't even want to even do much to that car either. I mean, for me, the exhaust system, yes, that would be a given. Definitely change the wheels. I don't like the wheels on the 765LT at all. I really do not like them. New set of wheels, probably no VTEC coilovers. But apart from that, like, I mean, what else? I know you have Vorsteiner out there and 1016 Industries with the carbon fibre kits, but I just don't know what else you put on it to make it even better. I mean, I suppose it depends what they would have on offer. I mean, wrapping it would be probably another thing I'd do, but apart from that, lowering it, wrapping it, exhaust system, and maybe tune it if you could, that would be it for me. But my God, it's definitely one of my favourite. Up there, one of my favourite McLarens out there. I think McLaren P1 would be my number one, and then a McLaren 765Lt. But my God, even this colour, it's like a grey blue colour, beautiful spec. Just such an aggressive looking car on the road as well. If I had the money, hands down, I'd buy one straight away. And even he said it himself, if he had one, he's not a big McLaren fan, he would buy one as well. So it's interesting. It'd be interesting to see who's the first YouTuber to actually get one. I think on the west side for YouTuber, maybe DD. I'm not too sure. That's just a guess. I can't see TJ Hunkin on that route, but comment below and let me know who you think might be the first YouTuber to get a 765LT, or if anybody I've missed. Next up, in the very last channel we're going to be covering, guys, is good old Matt Armstrong. His channel is doing really well. If you haven't checked out his channel, I highly recommend you going over. He's in the UK car channel, and he fixes up the cars himself. He has an R8, he has a Maserati Gran Turismo, and his recent video, he's just after buying a crash-wrecked Mercedes C63 AMG 6.3 litre, I think it's nearly 500 brake horsepower. He bought it for his girlfriend as a project, and it looks like he's after getting kind of ripped off. So this particular car was up for auction. It was in a really bad way, but whoever bought it, you see this on Sam Crack's videos, and anybody goes to Copart, they buy the car, fix it up a small bit to make it not look as it wasn't as damaged as it was, and then sell it for a higher price so they can get more money out of it. He's been obviously caught with this, and when he stripped it back and had a proper look, the frame is bent. Unfortunately for him, but he was considering giving it back and getting his money back for being, kind of conned out of it. But he's decided to go ahead and fix it, which people have said in the comments below is going to be a lot of work. I don't know, guys. If you've worked with these cars or know what's involved in them, comment below and let me know. Is it a lot of work? I'm presuming he's going to have to pull out the engine. The whole front end is going to have to come out. All the parts are going to have to be replaced. The guys they talked to said they can straighten it like new. Even though it won't be technically new, you still damage the integrity of the structure. So it won't be perfect. It won't be unbelievably like new, but it'll be better than what it was. I feel bad for him because he seems like a really nice guy and he loves his cars. I think he's nuts to go ahead with it, but it'd be a very interesting project. So guys, definitely keep an eye on his channel. I go over and check it out because it's going to be interesting to see what he runs into problem wise trying to get the C63 back on the road. So that is it for today, guys. That is everything for today. Again, thanks very much if you watched to the end. Don't forget to give this a like and definitely subscribe and let everybody know about that voting link below. Definitely let people know, definitely vote. And until the next episode, guys, thanks very much. Stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.